Hey fam, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Dima, a lifestyle vlogger based in India. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I will share with you how you can make soya bean. Soya bean is very good for your health. It's good for the your children's health and even your health as an adult. It's a great source of proteins and it's good for your heart system, okay, your cardiovascular system. So let me apologize before I start explaining the process involved in making this soya bean powder. So the first clip where I'm supposed to boil, I rather where I'm boiling the soya bean, I lost the clip. So just I'm going to be explaining and I believe you are going to understand what I mean. So there in this clip you can see my soya bean, you can see the cooked one and the uncooked one still in the pack. So what you do is you get your soya beans, then you put it in a pot, add water, enough water to cook. You have to cook this for 45 minutes, okay? This is a very simple something and I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step tutorial, okay? So after cooking for 45 minutes, you take it down from the heat, allow it to cool before removing the back, okay? So after cooling, you add water to it and start peeling off the back. It's very easy to peel. I think it is the easiest type of beans to peel. It's easier to peel soya bean than normal kidney beans that we eat, okay? So that is what I'm doing in this clip. I'm going to be peeling it the same way you peel you peel your beans from momoy and akara. It's the same way you're going to peel this, okay? Don't mind if you are peeling it and it's breaking apart. Don't worry about it, okay? So I'm going to peel this, and after peeling it, I'm going to wash it. I'll make sure that I wash off all the back, okay? Then I'm going to be drying it, all right? So keep watching. So once I was done with the peeling process, I'm going to be drying this in my oven. If you have dehydrator, you can make use of that. If you have enough sunlight where you live, you cannot equally make use of that, okay? Because I don't have enough sunlight where I live because it's winter now, I'm going to be drying this in my oven. And besides that, I'm using my oven because I'm trying to keep it clean as possible because I'm preparing it for my newborn. And newborns, their immune system are not that strong, so whatever thing you're giving them, make sure that they are prepared in a hygienic condition. All right, guys, so I will spread this out on a baking pan. Make sure that they are evenly spread out, that way they will dry very well. So I will spread it out on the baking pan and I'm going to place it in my oven. I dried this. The total time I use in drying this is 4 hours maximum, and I dried it in a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius, okay? So I'm going to be repeating the drying process until I'm done drying all the beans, okay? So continue watching. So once I was done with the drying process, I'm going to be blending this in my blender. And guys, you have to keep an eye on this whenever you're drying it in an oven. That way it doesn't burn, because if it burns, it's going to lose its taste and you wouldn't like it, okay? So I'll be blending this 3 times for each batch because my blender is not blending it well, and each time I blend it, I'm going to save it. That way I will remove the ones that are not well blended, okay? So you can take this to an industrial machine to blend it, or if you have a blender of a higher quality, you can make use of it, okay? So I'm going to be saving this, and the remaining ones, the ones that are not well blended, I'll put it back in the blender and continue the blending process until I'm done with the whole with the whole blending. All right, keep watching. Guys, if you've watched up to this stage, thank you so much for sticking by. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Okay, I have other amazing recipes that you may want to try out. They are all on my channel. Okay, so this is the outcome of our soya bean. It's very smooth and it's so healthy. Like I said earlier, this is so healthy and is safe for babies as from 6 months old. Thank you so much. I see you in my next